everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Welcome to my 500th video. It also happens to be my birthday today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a red velvet 7-layer bars. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 box of a red velvet cake mix, a half a cup of oil, and 1 egg. Then you need the red velvet Oreos, and you want to just crush those up with, I just used a rolling pin and a Ziploc bag. Then you need a can of sweetened condensed milk. I'm using 2 of the Hershey-ets, 1 cup of these mini chocolate chips, 1 cup of the white chocolate chips, some kind of peeps. I couldn't find the vanilla cream, so I'm just using these, and you're just going to chop those up. And then I'm using 12 red velvet cupcakes, and we are just going to cut those probably in fourths. All right, let's preheat our oven to 350 and then line a 9x13 baking dish with aluminum foil and spray that generously with cooking spray. In a large bowl, we're going to mix together the cake mix, oil, and egg with a spoon until dough forms. That looks pretty combined to me, so next we are going to press that into our prepared baking dish. I just removed my crust from the oven, and I just kept my oven on 350, and now we are going to chop up our peeps and put those over top of our crust. That looks great, so next we are going to top this with our chopped Oreos. Next we are going to add in our cup of mini chocolate chips. This is really starting to look good, so next we are going to add our red velvet cupcakes. That looks great, so next we are going to add our 1 cup of white chocolate chips. Now for the final layer, we are going to add our Hershey-ets. Now drizzle our can of sweetened condensed milk over top. Now get this back into our 350-degree oven for 22 minutes. My dessert just came out of the oven, and I did cook mine for an additional 8 minutes. I just didn't feel like it was set up enough. So now we are going to let this cool completely before we cut it into bars. I put my whole dessert in the refrigerator and just let it set up for about another 20 to 30 minutes. But these are still super gooey, but they are so good. I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Okay, we have one here for Taste Tester. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.